Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Might be you have seen this news somewhere that Google Maps launched Street View in India, or Google launches Street View in India after years of rejection. Google Maps launched Street View across 10 cities in India. So what is this Google Street View that we'll see? So if you'll just go to Google and just type Google Maps. So just click on the Google Maps. After clicking on the Google Maps, you will see here that we have uh, reach to Google Maps. So I will click here on the satellite view. You can able to see the satellite view. Suppose I want to visit anywhere in Hyderabad. Okay, just I will type it here. Suppose I want to visit the Golconda Fort. So I will type here Golconda Fort. So I'll directly reach to Golconda Fort. So this is the 2D view actually. Okay. So I want to see the 3D view. So for that, what I can do, I will select this man. That is a browse street view image. So just click here. And suppose I want to drag it here. I will drop it here. So now you will see the Golconda Fort. We can able to see the panorama view, that is 360 views of this Golconda Fort. So this way we can able to view without going to Golconda Fort also. So this is the Golconda Fort. Suppose I want to go inside any museum. Okay, suppose I will type here Salarjung Museum. So you will see here that the Salarjung Museum is here, Salarjung Museum. I will just select this man. I will drop it here. Once I will drop it here, you will see we are entering into the Salarjung Museum. So without going to Salarjung Museum, we can able to see the view of Salarjung Museum here. So this way we can able to come back again and again. If you want to visit any different places, so you can see here. So this is also in Salarjung Museum. So this way we can able to explore this Salarjung Museum, and any museum we can able to explore this way. So if I want to go to outside, I can go outside from this route. Okay, so this way we can able to we can see the view, most of the views of 3D, and this is the very beautiful view we can able to see inside without going to Salarjung Museum also. So there are many things, like if I want to visit the Charminar, so I will type the Charminar. So suppose I will drag this man here. So you can able to see the most of the beautiful view of again I will add it here, just wait. So see this is the Charminar view. Okay, so this is what we can able to do. We can able to go to visit the place. Before going to visit the place, we can see the 3D of 3D view. So these are very helpful. So most of the cities they have launched. So you just search the desired cities. Suppose I will search for the Delhi. So just select this where these things are showing. You can go. Now we can able to see this. So this is the Jama Masjid where we can able to see without going to that place. Previously you can see the 3D view, and after that you will get the idea how the places look like, and after that we can able to visit that place. So these are the most beautiful thing that Google has launched, that is a 360 view we can able to see. So most of the cities they have launched these things. So if we'll go to the Bangalore also, Bangalore, Karnataka. So suppose I will drag this man here. So see, this is the street view. So this way we can able to view the 3D view. So you just need to type the name of the place. After typing the name of the place, we'll reach that place, and you can able to see the 3D view of that place. So what is the benefit of this mostly? So how it is work? So they have did this survey on this vehicle. Okay, so Google Maps Street View, this vehicle they have used. This the mount ball is there. You can able to see this capturing 360 views. Okay, so Google Street View is an immense 360-degree view of a location captured using spatial camera mounted on a vehicle. So this spatial camera they have used around the cities. So they have used this vehicle around all the cities, and they have captured the 360 view of all the images. So these images are then pitched together to create a 360-degree view, which use and sweep through to get detailed view of the location. So what we can able to use this, we can use this to explore the landmarks, see natural wonders, and step inside places such as museum, then restaurants and small business. We can use this. Then there are many uses. So if you are going to survey, before going to field, you can see the actual area, how it is look like. After that, if you want to see the road condition of that place, we can see the road condition of that place. So if you want to access many things, you can able to get pre-idea before going to that places. So these are very useful, and now it is available in India. Most of the cities it is available. You can use this for your benefit.